Okay, so I bought new dental drills to use. We're gonna do a blind sound test, and you tell me which one sounds better. Which one would you rather be drilling in your mouth? Okay, let's do the first one. Here's drill number one. Okay, not bad, not great. I know we don't like the sound at all, but compare this to the other one and let me know which one I need to purchase. Okay, here's the other one. Let's listen. A little more aggressive. This one wasn't as expensive, so maybe you don't want this one, but it's a little louder. Okay, they're both electric. All right, now for the reveal. This is a Midwest Dental Sirona electric handpiece, gear ratio 1:5. Yep. And then this was the other one.